So this is the next question in this playlist, and we are going to understand the matrix style DP questions, right? So this is the second question we have here, 120 triangle. No, second, the next question we have in the triangle. So the question is triangle array. Okay, we have to return minimum path sum from the top to bottom, right? And for each step you may move to an adjacent number of rows, and more formally you can say if you are on the index I on the current row, you may move to either index I or index I plus 1 or the next row, right? So the question we have given in this example one, right? We have given this triangle, right? We have given 2 3 4 6 5 7 and 4 1 8 3, and we have this answer. How we are going to understand, let's see. So the question we have given 2 3 4 6 5 7 4 1 8 3, like this. Okay, so it is starting from 2, right? Now he will check which one is minimum, this one is minimum or this one is minimum. 4 is minimum, so he will find this one is minimum, right? Now in the next row he will say which one is minimum, he will check this is minimum, right? Then he will check this is minimum. Now all these minimum, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 will add, then it will become 11, and that is your answer, right? So this question is also very tricky question because we have to find the minimum path sum from the top to bottom, and this pattern is saying that this is from a matrix based question, right? So if the question is saying minimum path sum, minimum find minimum number, or minimum anything, or unique paths, right? Any questions it is saying that, so it means it is coming from the DP question. You can do by any other approach also, but that is your DP based question. So let's understand the bottom up in place dynamic programming, you can say, in which we are starting from let's say bottom up will do. How we will do that we will see later. So this is 6, we have 2 and 8, right? So the 6 is at the top and the bottom we have is 2 and 8, right? So there is only one path here with sum 6 plus 2, that is called 8, right? And there is only one path here with 6 plus 8, you can say, that is 14. So therefore the minimum path sum for this triangle is 8, right? How? Let's understand. Because see here, if we'll go and check this one is minimum, this one is minimum, so we will find this one is minimum. So from here to here we'll do the sum as what? 8, right? And in the next word it will check from this one and this one also, and this will also check with this one and this one, right? But this path we are not going to check, right? And that's why we have already calculated this part of this, right? And that is coming 8. So next we will add this one, and that will become what? 2 more. So 10 will become the minimum, and therefore it is coming 10. You can pause this and you can see similarly this happens like this. You can pause this video and you can see. Okay, now the input we have given is a triangle, the list of list, right? And that is your triangle. So for all the row, right, we will go for the column, right? So row is starting from 1, right? And I will go to the size, and column start from 0, and we'll go to the what we can say, the column, the last column, right? We'll take a smallest above, and that is will start from the max value of integer. And if column is greater than 0, then we will do what? Triangle dot get row minus 1, and we'll do column minus 1. So for each row there will be column, right? So what we will do? We'll do row minus 1 and we'll get the column. Okay, and if column is less than row, then we will find what? Minimum will do, right? The above and the value that we are getting from here, and that is your smallest above. Now a smallest above and the row, and row from the row will get a column, that is your path, and we can set the path now like this, set value. And finally you will have collection dot mean value. Which one is mean? It will come from here, from the triangle. So this is also a little easy question, right? So that's all in this video. Thank you guys.